Hi and welcome to this welcome to this video on how to make a template 2019. Wow, time has flown since the last one. And yes, things are going to be a little bit different. Not a lot, but a little bit. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to go through and build this template, and bear in mind that this is just my way of doing it, and we're just going to use the processing effects and some of the tools that I like to use. If you buy this template and you load it up, it doesn't mean you have to have every single thing the same. So when it comes to doing things like limiters and compressors and EQs, I'm going to talk about some different ones you can use. So rather than you worrying and thinking, shit, I've not got this, I've not got that, hopefully we can, we can replace it with something else, and I'll use I'll use some variables. So what we're going to go across and build it. Now, first of all, before we start, let's be smart and let's make a plan. So we're going to have, reference, kick. I'm just trying to think how I did it before, and I'll tell you what, snare, no, reference, kick, snare, perks, mid bass, sub bass, effects. So there's things way above that. So let's have a look. How did I used to do it? Sub bass, leads, counter melodies. Now I'm going to go through all this, don't worry. Pads, mid bass, bass effects, acids, Atmos. So I used to have piano and stuff like that, but you hardly ever use it. So just keeping it nice and sweet. Effects. We want one shot effects. Rise and fall effects. So reference kick, snares, percussion, leads, count melodies, pads, mid bass, sub bass, acids, atmospheres. There's definitely a couple of things missing. Do I have my old template knocking about? I think I've gone and lost it, It's got to be somewhere. This is why you should be organized. Step. I made a mistake of deleting the old template. We should be okay. I think we're okay there. Logic X template. It's well old. The idea behind this is that we're making a template, but we don't want lots of things in there, It's not about that.